here's what's new today. What's new is we are finding more parts. So the first thing I want you to write on your notes on this side, write down this part. You're going to have a little bit of words that are going to go right underneath here. Here we go. We are finding more parts with trigonometry. And here's what you need to know. What you need to know is this. If you have any two parts of a right triangle, you can get all of the rest. There are 6 parts to any triangle, 3 angles and 3 sides. And it turns out once we know trig, SOHCAHTOA, we can get all 6 of those parts using only our calculator, right? We don't have to do Pythagorean theorem, we don't have to do 30, 60, 90, we can use trig. We need 2 parts to get all the other parts. And that's what we're going to start today. And then tomorrow, we got to go one last piece, and then we've done all of trig. Yeah. Oh, my Lord. Why did it do that? Come back. Like it really genuinely disappeared. There it is. Why did it do that? Okay. So we're going to do something really weird here today. I'm going to give you some options, but you're going to have to be pretty solid on this. So the first thing I would like you to do is to realize that we don't have just one angle that they gave us here. We actually know all of the angles. So let's remind ourselves, this bad boy is 90. This bad boy is 28. So I want you to use your calculator, knowing that triangles have 180 degrees in them. How many degrees are left for this dude right here, for W? So here's what you're going to do. You're going to take 180, you're going to subtract 90, and you're going to subtract 28, and you're going to get 62. So here's what I have to tell you. I'm going to get rid of this guy right here. I am going to put this guy as 62 degrees. So here's what I need you to know. From here on out, on this problem, you get to make a decision of where you want to put SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA can go here at 28. Remember what I said? Or it can go here at 62. It doesn't matter. It's now up to you. Do not put SOHCAHTOA in the fire. He will burn. Don't put him here. So here's what's interesting here. If you like it in your brain, if you're like, hey, Miss T, I always like when that goofy little Martian guy, I like when he's up here. You can now use up here with the 62. But if you're someone like, you know what, Miss T, I don't like him up here. I am happier when that little dude is down there. That's cool too. Because here's what. It will give you the same answers, but you have to set them up slightly differently. So especially for my kids who all just got a bunch of A's on a test, we're going to do something right now. So the first thing I would like you to do, and we're going to walk through it nice and carefully, let's all put SOHCAHTOA down at the bottom. Is everybody cool with that? Yes. I'm just going to make that choice. Then I'm going to show you something in a minute. Okay, so today we're not finding one side, we're finding 2 sides. But we can't do 2 at a time.
Oh, you gotta do one first.
Yeah, one first and then the other. So the first thing we got to do from SOHCAHTOA's viewpoint, we'll go ahead and label your sides from his viewpoint. Our opposite, our adjacent, our hypotenuse. From his point of view, right? I got my H. Oh, I hate when that happens. Come back, dude. Here we go. So I got an opposite over here. I got a hypotenuse over here. I got an adjacent. So what we're going to do, we're going to look for one of these sides. I'm not going to do both at the same time. So my advice to you, if you have a pencil, only if you have a pencil, because then you're going to erase in a minute. If you have a pencil, let's start with this guy, and let's take our pencil and let's get rid of this guy for now, right? Because I don't want it to make my brain confused.
So we're not using X?
No, because we're going to start just by finding X.
Okay.
Right? So I got X and Y to look for. I don't want to do both at the same time, so I'm just going to ignore the Y for now. Is that cool? Everybody cool with that?
Yeah.
So here we go. We're going to use it from SOHCAHTOA's point of view. Real quick, write SOHCAHTOA on the top of your desk if you don't have it. SOHCAHTOA. What did I say just to do? Write it with your pen on the top of your desk. Write it with a pen on the top of your desk. There you go. Okay, so here we go. We're using opposite and hypotenuse. Which is it? Opposite and hypotenuse.
OA.
OA, sine. It's sine. So we're going to say sine. We're using 28. 28 equals opposite, which is x, over hypotenuse, which is 19. Can you please do that for me right now? I'm going to do it too. I'm going to put up an answer. You see if you got what I got. Now I'm going faster now because you guys are getting good at this, right? I just got a bunch of quizzes where people nail this. I'm going to put a number up. If you got this, be proud of yourself that you're smart. If you didn't get it, remember, you're probably super good looking. So don't feel bad about yourself, right? So I got that this guy right here is 8.9 or 9. Can I see a wiggle of my smarty pants friends who got 9? Are we okay? You got 9? Did you really? Did you really get 9?
Yeah.
You want to go on through it or you good?
Good.
Okay, right on. So we're going to do the same thing now, but now we're going back to this dude and we're doing him, right? So do I need this guy anymore? I don't. Use that guy. We're going to use A and H. Do the exact same thing. A and H, cosine. So here we go. Nice and easy. Cosine 28 is A over, I'm sorry, yep, it's A over 19. It is Y over 19, actually, I think. Yeah, even better. Love that. Yes.
Do you have to keep like the perspective in one place?
No, and I'm going to tell you about that in just a second. Yes.
Because I used sine for both.
Yes, and that's what I'm going to tell you. Love that. Love you, Logan, being ahead of me. Okay, so here I go. Here I go. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to say 19 cosine 28, and I'm going to get 17.
16.8. So
That works for me, 16.8. Okay, so now watch, we're going to do something. This is going to make your brain hurt a little bit. We're not going to do this on every problem, just this one. But I need everyone to watch. I am now going to show you that we could have done this exact problem, gotten these exact answers, if I did it with SOHCAHTOA standing up here. So we're only going to do one because I don't want to flip everyone out. So from SOHCAHTOA's new standing place, things move from his perspective. I'm opposite right here. I'm opposite over here. I have moved. So if I do it from here, let's find Y together. He is my opposite, and here is my hypotenuse. So watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to say that the sine of 62 is y over 19. Now look, that's totally different than I have up there. Let's see if we get the same answer. We should get 16.8. Let's see if we do. Are you ready on your calculator? Can you hit 19 and then hit sign 62 parentheses? What do you get? A different answer or the same answer? Same answer. So that's my point. I don't care which angle you pick what's good for your eyes. If you like having him up here, put him up here. But here's what we don't want to do. Wherever you put him, I leave him because we don't want to change his perspective. Does that make sense? So we're going to do two of these, and then one together, and then I'm shutting up. You ready? Okay, these are weird. Here we go. New problem. You guys ready for this? Step one. I don't know which angle I like. Maybe I like that 41. Maybe I like this one over here. So can you, with your neighbors, can you start by figuring out what that angle is? Just subtract it, 180. You got a calculator? Yeah. So get it, so it's up to you. Did you do, I did 90, take away 41.
Oh, wait, why can't you do 90 plus 41 minus 20?
You
Or
totally do that. But I'm lazy, so I already know that 180 take away 90 is 90.
Yeah.
Or I just go 90 minus 41.
Oh.
Yeah, 'cause I'm lazy, right? They are called compliments. Hey, I know, it's been a hot minute. Freaked you out there. Did you guys get 49 for that guy? Okay, you have a choice. Do you want by yourselves to put SOHCAHTOA here or SOHCAHTOA here? I don't care. They will give you the same answer if you set the problem up right. Now, the only thing I will say for some kids, if they put him here, their eye goes to that guy because it's typewritten in. So my advice is if you don't care, use the one that's typewritten because chances are you won't mess that up. So next step, please put SOHCAHTOA somewhere on your paper. Put him here or put him here. I'm going to put him right here. Ooh.
Also just not O.
Colin, what are you doing, babe? Colin, what are you doing?
Oh, you put them in the left?
Okay.
It wouldn't work. I just connect to Wi-Fi.
Next time use mine. It's sitting up there. You can go. Is the pass back? Yeah, okay. Okay. AJ, you ready? So looking at mine, can you tell me what side is opposite of angle 41? Just look up there. Like, that's not a trick question. Opposite of this guy. What side is opposite? I got this guy, or the 32. X, Y, or 32. Which one is opposite? So, what? Watch. Gentlemen, yeah.
Yep.
So here we go. Opposite. From his perspective, this is my adjacent, and the longest side is my hypotenuse. So what I'm going to ask you to do right now, let's start by finding X. What does that mean? That means ignore this guy for now. We'll come back to him later. Look at what you have. Go ahead and set it up. X is opposite over hypotenuse. I'm sorry, opposite over adjacent. It's tangent.
Looks like the same answer.
Talk to me.
We always use 41.
No, you could have put him at the 49 if you wanted to. It's your choice. The one place you can't put him, in the fireplace. Yep, don't put him in the fireplace. To me though, Will, I'll be honest, do you see how big that 41 is on your paper? I'm going to use it because my eye is going to tempt me to use that angle, right? So I end up using it unless it's like a weird thing. So Tino,
Yes, ma'am.
did you do the math for me?
Yeah, I got you. And 41. 32.
It's supposed to be a
47.1.
It's supposed to be 32 over y.
28, how we feeling? Stop in here, 28, 28, yeah? See if I got 28?
Pick the one on the left side.
28? Okay. Not yet. Let me finish the last one. Okay. Now here comes the last one I'm gonna do with you.
Oh, so I got 30.
Last one I'm gonna do with you is that I'm gonna now go back and now I'm doing this guy. He's got an H. He's over here. I don't care about this guy now. He's done. I don't care. So I'm gonna look at what I have. So AJ, you're just gonna help me out here. I'm doing an A and an H. I cross out the O because I'm done with them. So look at your SOHCAHTOA. Which one has A and H on it? You got it. And we call that cosine. Love that. And it's 41 equals adjacent, which is 32 over y. This is the flip-flop one where I have to diagonally, I don't like y on the bottom, right? So we're going to have to do that weird flip-flop. Try that with your neighbors right now. So the y comes up, the cosine 41 goes down. So what I'm going to get is y over 1, 32 over cosine 41. Talk to me. 32 divided by cosine 41. You get like 42? 42? We feeling it? 42? Okay. I'm going to stop because I think that was funny. Are we okay? So here's what. If we are willing to work in class, get it started. Tarantino? Yeah, Trotner. You can put benefit. That's all. If we are willing to work in class, I will make this a pretty short homework and we will finish today. But if you're like doing other stuff, I'm gonna think, hey, they want to do more problems. You don't want that. No one wants that. So I'm sorry, I never give white paper. I'm gonna check this tomorrow. Look what I made my TA do on every single page. I made them highlighted. So tomorrow I'll be like, it's the white with the pink on top of it. So I did that for you. Here's what I want you to do. 7 of these bad boys. That's all. But if we work, we did in class and we're good. Please check as you go. But I need you to be solid on this because tomorrow we go and figure out angles backwards on our calculator, but we got to be solid. Any questions before we go on? Can I turn off the video?
Yeah,
Are we good? Okay. Thank you. Goodbye.